Hi guys, welcome to Technical Agriculture. Let's grow with tech. Have you caught? Are you not getting regular updates of agricultural news and policies? Are you facing problem in time management while solving papers? You are not getting previous year papers or sample papers for agricultural exams? Please don't panic. Let's go. Here I listed 5 websites to stay updated and get knowledge of agriculture and agricultural technologies. Our first website is agriculturetoday.in. This is the home page of agriculturetoday.in. You can read here latest news updates and agricultural policies. You can read here in both Hindi as well as English languages. You can read articles and current affairs, current issues or updates of agriculture areas. You need to register and log in for online access of magazines, and if you want offline access you have to subscribe. This is very useful website for getting regular updates of agriculture news and government policies related to agriculture. So our second website is agriexam.com. Guys, you are looking at the home page of agriexam.com. This website is really very helpful if you are preparing for any agricultural exams. If you are facing problems of study material, you're not getting proper study material, this is for you. You can get online study materials, you can access online tests, practice mock tests, previous year papers. This website also makes you familiar with current issues related to agriculture. You can get updated about latest agricultural jobs and government policies related to agriculture and agricultural areas. Our third website is agtechnews.com. This is the home page of agtechnews.com. If you are interested in technology, if you are interested in agriculture, this website is going to be really helpful for you. You can get regular updates of technical news related to agriculture. You can know about agricultural products and services. You can get familiar with technical events being organized in agricultural areas. So guys, our next website is agrilearner.com. So you are looking at the home page of agrilearner.com. This website is going to be really very helpful if you are preparing for any agricultural exams like IBPS, AFO, GATE, JEA and all. You can get study material in written format as well as video lectures. You can also access online mock test here to check your efficiency. You can get previous year papers, question banks, and also get updated about latest news related to agriculture areas. I hope you guys will really enjoy this website. Our fifth and last website of this video is apeda.in. So guys, this is the homepage of apeda.in, and this website gives you all updates of post-harvest handling of crops and food materials. This website helps you to know about what is the status of import and export of agricultural goods and materials, and what are the government policies in export and import or food post harvest handling, storing in this area. So post harvesting is really important topic in agriculture. If you are giving more production, if you are preparing crops in large quantity, and if you are not able to store them properly and it's export, it will be what? It will destroy. So you have to be updated about post harvest handling of agricultural goods and materials. So this website is going to be helpful in this area for you guys. So this is the end of our video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are aware and you use any other website, so please tell me about that agriculture website in comment section. Thank you so much guys. Hey guys, thanks one again, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for supporting me.